Hey, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, today's the 20th, and we could finally get the event shiny Yveltal. Now, a lot of people call him the bacon bird for some reason. I don't know why, but he sure does look like bacon. Yeah, you're gonna want to go to the internet here. Yeah, just connect the internet. Now, yeah, we already got the event Xerneas. I can't wait to see what set this one has. Now, I'm a little disappointed that the Zygarde wasn't shiny, but at least they just thought of us. This is a hard to find Pokemon. You'll be the envy of your friends with this shiny Yveltal. Okay, let's take a look. Oh my god! Bacon bird confirmed. Just look at him. Alright, yeah, let's go take a look at him. Well, I've been doing a lot of Fire Emblem videos. I think I need to take a break for that. Alright, let me see. Do I have a full party? Let me check that out. Oh, yes, I do. Yeah, let me just switch out a Pokemon really quick. Okay, and we can get started. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, it has Dark Pulse, Sucker Punch, Foul Play, and Oblivion Wing, obviously. Yeah. Oh no. This is a terrible nature. Okay. Impish. Well then. You know, I'm not gonna judge, I'm just gonna keep it like it is. Alright guys, yeah, that's the bacon bird. Well then, it's been fun, so yeah, I'm just gonna go now. See ya, have a great day, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment below. Okay, see ya.